Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs Android 12 or newer and enabling ADB debugging. This lets you sideload safely. Once done, back up your existing keyboard settings and export any personalized dictionary so nothing is lost. Next, obtain a trusted iOS-style keyboard APK or install a reputable Play Store alternative that mimics iOS layout. You take these steps now to prepare the system and preserve data. They prevent surprises during installation and make rollback straightforward. You'll install the keyboard using ADB or the Play Store, depending on your source. If sideloading, run a db install R keyboard. App. This preserves existing app data. Once installed, make sure to grant required permissions like input method and optional accessibility features for gestures. After granting rights, set the new keyboard as default in languages and input and import your backed up dictionary. You should then fine-tune theme, key size, and haptic settings so the layout matches the iOS feel and typing responsive. You finish by thoroughly testing typing, autocorrect accuracy, emoji panel access, swipe gestures, and clipboard functions. That confirms the experience matches expectations. If you encounter lag or crashes, try clearing the keyboard cache, disabling other input apps, and reinstalling the APK. These steps resolve most conflicts. Make sure to keep both Android and the keyboard updated and enable auto backups for your preferences. If problems persist, revert to your backup and report the issue to the keyboard developer with logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.